Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's class. So in this video we'll be looking at the practice questions, solutions to practice questions, and I will start the first one. The first one that says a number is a multiple of another number if the other number is its factor. So that is, a number will be a multiple. So when we talk about multiple of now, for example, multiple of 2 now are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so forth. Now, all these two here is a factor of all the multiples that we have here. So which means a number is a multiple of another number if the other number is its factor. So which means this one is a factor of this number. So the answer will be what? True. Exactly. Now, so we'll look at the next question. Now, is 5 a multiple of 10? That's number 2. Is 5 a multiple of 10? So 5 cannot be a multiple of 10 because you can see that it's less than 10. So it is a factor of 10. 5 is a factor of 10. Why 10 is a multiple of 5? Is that clear? So 5 is not a multiple of 10. So the answer is no. I hope this is clear. Now for number 3, the product of two numbers is a multiple of the first number only. No, we can't say that. So that is false. So for example, let's say 2 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 6. So this 6 here is a multiple of 3 and it's also a multiple of what? 2. So not the first number only. It's a multiple of both numbers. So the product of two numbers, which is 6, is a multiple of both numbers. That should be the correct answer. Is that clear? Now, the product of two numbers is a multiple of one of the two numbers. The product of two numbers is a multiple of one of the two numbers. This is correct. So just like the example of what I just mentioned, that 2 multiplied by 3 equals to what? 6. So it's a product, it's a multiple of one of the two numbers. So the product of the 6 here is a product of this one, or it's also a product of this one. So the answer to this one should be what? So it's true, right? So that is that. Then move to the next question. Number 5. Which of the following is a multiple of 6? Which of the following is a multiple of 6? So when you write down the multiple of 6, multiple of 6 are 6, 12, 18, right? 24, then 30, then 36, 42, right? 48, 50, okay, 48, 54, 54, 60, 66, 72, right? 72, 78, then 84, and so on and so forth. 90. So it continues like that. So there's no, which of the following is a multiple of 6? 32 is not here, 81 is not here, 38 is not here. So the answer is 72, which is this one, as we can see. So on to the next question. So this number 6 says the first 5 multiple of 7 are, so we start from 7, 14, 21. So this is one is out. 28, right? 35, 42. The first 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 7, 14, 21, 20, 35. 7, 14, 21, 20. So this will be the answer. So there's no 49 there. So move to the next one. So the first 3 common multiples of 5 and 2. So the first thing is that let's list first 3. Let's list multiples of 5 and multiples of 2 and see what we have. So for 5, multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, right? 20, 25, then we also have 30. So for 2, so you now look at the ones 2 can go. The first one, 2, 10. Then the second one, 2 cannot go in 15, cannot go in 25, it can go in 20, also go in 30. So it will be 10, 20, 30. So that's how you're going to do it. Because if you want to list out all the multiples of 2, it will take you time. So once you have listed the higher one, so you can then look at, okay, which one 2 can divide among the multiples of what? 5. I hope this is clear. Now number 8, the minimum common multiple of 3 and 5. That is minimum here is asking for the least common multiple, that is LCM, or lowest common multiple of 3 and 5 is what? 15. So if it's 3, because there's no number that can divide 5. 3 cannot divide 5. So therefore just multiply it together, give you 15. I hope this is clear. All right, so what is the LCM of 7 and 21? Anytime you are given a number, you are looking for the LCM. So what you should do is this: instead of you working it out, so check which one is bigger. 21 is bigger than 7. Now ask, can 7 divide 21? If 7 can divide 21, so 21 will be the answer, which is the LCM of 7 and what? 21. So and if you want to do it, you see how you're going to get the same thing. 7, 21. 3 can go, that is 7, right? And 3, sorry, 7 rather. So that is 7. So 7 can go 1, 1. So 3 times 7 is 21. So how you go about this. Now number 10. The first 3 common multiples of 7 and 14 are. So the same thing here. You can see that in 7 can go in 14. So the first common one will be 14. So this one is out. The first one is out. The second one is out. So the answer is between this and this. So the first one is 14. Common multiple. So followed by, so the next one will be 28, right? So 28 plus 14 gives, this is 2, and that's 42. 42. Because if you pick 35, 14 cannot go in 35. So it's going to be what? 42. Though 7 can go in 35, but 14 cannot go in what? 35. So in that case, the answer will be what? 42. So which is this one? You can see the way I'm answering. There are some questions you don't need to work out before you pick your answer. So you just have to know how you maneuver yourself while solving questions, so that you'll be faster to complete your work. So let's move to question 11. For question 11 now, find the LCM 45, 54, and 180. So for this case, you can get this one. So let's work it out using the shortcut method, since what we are doing is objective. So we just have this. We have 45, we have 54, we have 100 and what? 80. So what we are going to do, we are going to use big numbers that can go, right? So 5 can go. Let's start with 2. 2 can go, that is 45 here. 2 can go here, that is 2, 7, right? 2 can go here, that is what? 90. So 3 can go, yes, 3 can go in odd now. 3 can go. So 3 here, that is 15. 3 here, 9. And 3 here, 30. 3 can still go, right? That is 5, 3, 10. So you can see that 5 can go, that is 1, 3, 2. So the next one is 3 and 2, that is 6. So multiply 2 times 2, that is 4. So 3 can go, 1, then 2. Then 2 can go. That will be, is going to give us 3. 2 times 2 times 3 in times 3 raised by 3, then times 5. So 3 raised by 3 is 27. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is 28. 8, that's 108. Multiply by 5. This is 40. Carry 1. 4. Then 5. 540, which is the last option here. So I hope this is clear. So let's move to the next one. So for this number 12, the question has to find the product of the LCM and the ACF of 18, 32, and 48. So what you expect to do, we have three numbers. So let's have it this way as well. So let's have this way. So we have 18, we have 32, and we have 48. So what I will advise in case of this is this. You will start with ACF. So when there's no number that can go again, you can then complete the essence. That you not be doing it twice. So from all indication, 2 can divide everything. 2 here is 9, this is 16, and this is what? 24. So 2, nothing can go again. That is common. 3 can go here, 3 cannot go here. 2 can go here, 2 can 3, 2 cannot go here. So that means ACF now. ACF is 2, is equal to 2. So let's now complete the LCM. 3 or let's 2, that is 9, 8, 12. Let's use 4 straight. This is 9, 2, 3. 2 can still go. That is 9, 1, 3. So 3 can go twice. That is 3, 1. Then 3 again. So that means we have 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 4, 16. 16, 16. Then 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 3, 18. So 16 times 18. So this gives us 48. Carry 4. Then that's 12. 6, 1. Add everything to that's 8. 8, 288. So that means the LCM is 288. But the question asks us to find the product of LCM and HCF multiplied by 2. So this is a 6 carry 1, 6, 17 carry 1, that is 576, which is the last option here. 576, which is this one, 576. So move to the next question. Now, so what is number 13 now? What is the negative difference between the LCM and ACF 27 and 36? So the same thing, we'll find the LCM and the ACF of 27 and 36. So let's find the ACF first. So we have 27. So what can go to find the ACF first? So it's only 3 that can go in both of them. This will give us 9, while this gives us 12. So 3 can still go. So that is 3, and this is what? 4. So which means ACF here is what? Is 9. Is equal to 9. So to complete, this is 3 again, 1, 4. Then 4, 1, 1. So we'll multiply everything together to give us the LCM. So 3 times 3, 9. Times 9 times 3, 27. So 27 times 4, this is 28. That is 108. So, but the question asks us to find the negative difference between the ACF and LCM. That means the smallest minus the biggest. So that means 9 minus 108. So which will give us minus 99. So that gives us the answer here. So move to the next question now. Now question 14 says, a number is a multiple of another number if the other number is a factor of the number. So it's just like when you have a number is a multiple of another number. So which we say 2, okay, let's say 6 is a multiple of 2. Now, if the other number, so the other number is 2, is a factor of the number. So that means 2 is a factor of its multiple. That's what it means. So the answer is what? True, sorry. Is true. So a number is a multiple of another number. That is 6 is a multiple of 2. If the other number, that is if 2 is a factor of 6. So that's what it means, which is true. And 2 is a factor of 6. So the answer is true. Now for numbers 15. Is 7 a multiple of 21? No. The answer is no. Capital no. 7 is not a multiple of 21. So 7 is a factor of 21. While 21 is a multiple of 47. So the answer, this one is clear. Now for 16, find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by what? 21 and 35. They are indirectly asking you. This is another way of asking, find the LCM of this number and this number. That's what they are trying to say here. So you just find it, 21 and 35. 21, 35. So that is 7 can go 3. This is 5. Then 3 can go 1, 5. Then 5 can go 1, 1. So 3 times 15, that is 21, multiplied by 5, that is 105, which is this. So next one. Now this is application question here. The chairs in a hall can be arranged in rows of 48 and 60. Find the least number of chairs in the hall. So when you have this, I said it in the video that we use when you are trying to find the least common something that will happen, so that you can have. So we want to arrange something now. So how many arrangement are we going to have? If we want to arrange it in 48 rows, uh arrange in rows of 48 and 60. So we just find the LCM, just application of LCM 48 and 60, and look for what is. So that is 4 can go, let's use 4 straight. This will give us 12. This gives 1, 2, that is 5, right? So 3 can go, and that gives 4, and this gives what? 5. So 4 can go again, 1, 5. Then 5 can go, 1, 1. So we then multiply 4 times, that's 12. 12 times 20, 20 times 12. So that is 240. So we can have, find the least number of chairs. So we have 240 chairs. That's what we're going to have. So the next one. Now, two neon signs are turned on at the same time. Both signs blink as they are turned on. One sign blinks every 9 seconds. The other sign blinks every 15 seconds. So how many seconds will they blink together again? So it's just the same thing. You find the LCM of both. So that will show the time they are going to blink again together. That's 9 and 15. Yes, 3 can go 3, and this is 5. 3 can go 1, 5. Then 5 can go 1, 1. So 3 times 3, 9 times 5, that is 45. So which means they are going to blink together at 45 seconds. All right. For question number 19, Abdullah exercises every 8 days and Shegun every 4 days. Abdullah and Shegun both exercise today. After how many days do they exercise together? So we're going to find the LCM again, which is 4. That will show us when they are going to be together. So 2 can go 2, 4, 2. So which means this one will just be, you pick, since 4 can go in 8, the answer will be 8 days. In 8 days, they are going to exercise together. So that is that one. So the last one. The soccer team and the American football team are sharing the field for their practices today. Today, Friday. The soccer team meets for practice every 2 days, and the American football team meets every 4 days. So which day of the week from now will they have to share the field again? So which means you find the SM of 2 and 4, which will be what? 4. So which means in 4 days time they are going to share the field again. And today is Friday. So let's see. Today is Friday. So after Friday, we're going to have Saturday, we have Sunday, we have Monday, and we have Tuesday. So look at it. So after today, 4 days after. 1, 2, 3, 4. So which means the next day they are going to be used to fit together will be on what? Tuesday. Is that clear? So that's how to do this one. Is that clear? So this is where we're going to stop in this video. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to give us a thumb up and make sure you subscribe to our channel if you are not subscribed, and make sure you turn your notification bell so that anytime I release video like this, you can also benefit from it. And also, not only that, so if you are new, if you want to join our program whereby we have video classes after the class based on topic. So we watch the videos. After watching the videos, you have practice question you're going to solve, then you get the solution to the practice question. We also have live classes to clear some misconceptions or some doubts in any of the videos you have with you. So if you want to do that, if you want to subscribe, kindly just comment in the comments it down in the what comment section. I'll surely get back to you on how you're going to go about it. So we'll meet in our next video. Bye for now.